Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about the shaded areas. And as we know that we work out about the area, how we can work out the area for rectangle, triangle, rhombus, trapezium. So but this time we are working about the shaded areas. So how we work about the shaded areas, before I'm going to start shaded areas, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now, because I'm going to discuss more topics and more practice, more tips for 11 plus in my forthcoming videos. So now back to the topic, and the question number one, if I say that to find the area for this rectangle, so very simple. If I say this is 10 and this is 5, so the area for rectangle is what? Length time width. Very simple. So it means A equal to length is 10 and 5 is width. So it means 10 times 5 is 50 centimeter square. So this is the basic example about how we can work out the area of rectangle. But today we're discussing about the shaded areas. The shaded areas means if I say that the same triangle, but this time what I'm doing, one more rectangle, and this is like that, and one more rectangle which is inside, and this is given 20 centimeter, this one is 10 centimeter, and this distance to this distance is 2 centimeter, this distance to this one 2 centimeter, and from this one to this one is 2 centimeter, and this one is 2 centimeter. And now this one, look at this one, okay? Now, so this is the shaded area, okay? So the question is that what? Find the area, find the shaded area for this rectangle. Okay, how we can work out? So very simple. So what we do, the formula I make it here. First we need to find area of large rectangle minus area of small rectangle. So the area of large rectangles, very simple. We know that length time width. So length time width, which is 20 times 10. So it means the area for the large rectangle, as normal the area we find for the rectangle, which is 20 times 10, which is 200. And now we need to find out the small rectangle, okay? But the problem in a small rectangle, we don't know the length and the width. So how we can find out the length and width? As you can see, what? The length, okay? Length of a small rectangle, how we can work out? So the length is the total length, which is the large rectangle, which is 20. And look at that, okay, what? distance from here to here reduced by 2 centimeter. So on the left, from the right hand side, 2 centimeter, and the right hand side 2 centimeter. If I subtract 2 centimeter from the right hand side and 2 centimeter on the left hand side, so I can find out the length of a small rectangle, which is 16 centimeters. So it means this length is 16 centimeter. I found it. How we work out? Very simple. 20 minus 2 centimeter minus 2 centimeter to get the 16. Now move for the length of, now is width of a small rectangle, which is, how we see here is a width is total is 10 centimeter, and look at this one, okay, the width reduced by 2 centimeter, okay, in the bottom minus 2, and the top by reduced minus 2, so it means it will be 6. So the length of a small rectangle is 16. So I can write down length time width. So length is 16. Okay, and the width is 6. So it means 16 times 6 is 96. Okay. And to subtract 200 minus 196, which is 104 centimeter square. So it means we found the shaded area. How we work out, okay? First we found the area of rectangle, which is normal, okay? Which is the outside one, okay? This one, 20 by 10. And then we found the area for the small rectangle, which is, we work out this one. Look at this one going to be reduced by 6 centimeter. So the area for the small rectangle, which is 16 times 6, 96. If I subtract, okay, this, look at this one, okay, a small rectangle which is 96, okay, and the large rectangle which is 200 centimeter square the area. If I subtract, okay, 96 from 200, you can get the area for the shaded portion, which is 104 centimeter square. Now move for another example. So the same rectangle, if I'm taking same rectangle, but this time as a second example, I'm taking, there is a rectangle, okay, and what I'm doing, okay, I'm making here what, this is, you know about this shape which is called trapezium. So, and we need to find the shaded area. This is the shaded area, okay, we need to find this one, and I'm going to enter the value of, you may try to pause the video and try to solve, okay. So the values are 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, and the height from here to here, okay, which is 5 centimeter. And the examiner asking about find find the shaded area. So how we can work out? Very simple, okay? The same way we need to do, okay? So area, A for area of rectangle minus area of trapezium. So we need to first find the area of rectangle, which is 30 times 20. So length times width. So 30 times 20, which is equal to 600 centimeter square. And for trapezium, we need to find the area of trapezium. Okay, how we work out the area of trapezium? We know that A plus B divided by 2 times by height. This is area for trapezium. So we just simply plug in the values, which are the top value, which is equal to A, and the large value, which is equal to B. So what I'm doing, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 and times by height, which is 5. So now 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by 2, which is 15. And 15 times 5, there's a bracket, so times by 5. So it means 75 centimeter square. So if I subtract the area of rectangle from the trapezium, so it means you will get 525 centimeter square. So the shaded area will be 525 centimeter square. So you can work out easily, okay? First, you need to work out the area of any shape given, and then you subtract. But it depends, okay? If, for example, okay, they are asking about the shade, okay? This one, okay? They may confuse. If I ask you, same question, find the area, find the unshaded area, okay? So look at, very easy, very simple, okay? So you need to understand the question, okay? If I say find the unshaded area. So what's the answer? Very simple. Your answer will be 75 centimeter square, because they are not asking about this shaded area, okay? They are asking about unshaded area. And basically, what if I ask you find the area of trapezium? So this is the area of trapezium, which is 75. So this one, the unshaded, so the unshaded will be 75 centimeter square. So it depends upon the questions, okay, what the examiner asking. Now move for the question number, or example number 3. So example number 3, if I say that the same, for example, this is a rectangle and the length is same. If I say this is 30 and this is 10 centimeter, and there is a circle. There is a circle, and they are giving you the radius as well, which is 1 centimeter. And examiner asking about find the shaded area, okay? We need to find out this shaded area. So as discussed, so first we need to find the first things. So the area of rectangle minus area of circle. So how we work out the length time width? 30 times 10. It can be any value, okay? So 30 times 10, which is 300. And the area for circle, okay? We know that what? Pi r squared. And the value of pi, which is constant, 3.142. So I'm just taking two decimal places, so 3.14 times by r square. R square means 1 square. So 3.14 times 1, which is 3.14, to be subtract from 300. So it means your answer will be 296.86. So this is, if you subtract 3.14 from 300 to get the answer, 296.86 centimeter square. So this is the shaded area for this example. So now we can move another example. If I say that there is a rectangle, okay, this is the rectangle, and this one let me do it this one in a second. The rectangle, okay, this one, and this one, okay, slightly bigger, yeah. And I'm just making a dot here, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So I'm just drawing this one second, and this one, okay, and this one, and this one. And examiner asking about what? Find this shaded area. You can pause the video and try to figure out the answer. Okay, I'm going to enter the values as well. Okay. So the length, the total length is 30 centimeter, and this one is, I would say that 10 centimeter. Or I can do 15 centimeter, yeah. And this one given 10 centimeter, and this one giving 5 centimeter. And this one is giving from here to here is 10 centimeter. So the question is that to find the shaded area for this rectangle. So how we can work out? So area for, first, look at this one. These are 4 small rectangle, okay? So first we need to find the area for large rectangle, okay? And then minus sum of a small rectangle. Why I wrote here just sum of small rectangles? Because there are 4 small rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I find the sum of this rectangle area, subtract by the total area to get the shaded area. So the large, how we can work out? Very simple. So 15 times 3 is 45, which is 450 centimeter. Length times width. So 30 times 15, which is 450 centimeter square. Minus sum of small rectangles. So first we need to find out the area of a small rectangle, which is 10 times 5 is 50. Okay. But what? 50. For example, this is the first 50. Okay, this is the first small, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So it means 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. How many small rectangle? There are 4. And the area for each small rectangle, which is 10 times 5, which is 50. So I just add or sum the area for a small rectangle, which is 200. So 450 centimeter square minus 200 centimeter square. So the shaded area will be 250 centimeter square. This is your final answer. So you can work out this way, okay? And now I'm going to move some exam questions, and now very simple and very easy. You can pause the video and try to solve. For example, there is a square. If I say that, what? This is the square. And there is a small square as well, okay? And the total is, the outside is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So the square has a 8 centimeter. And this one is 2 centimeter. And obviously the square has the all side equal. So this one 2 centimeter, this one 2 centimeter, this one also, and this one as well. And this shape is also a square, so all side equal, so which is 8 centimeter. And the shaded area, this one. So this is the shaded area. We need to find the area for the shaded area, same as, okay, the area of a square minus area of a small square to get the area for shaded. So 8 times 8 is 64, and the small square area is 2 times, is a square shape, so it means 2 times 2 is 4 centimeter. So 64 minus 4, which is 60 centimeter is square. So this is the answer for this question. Now move for a couple of more questions. This is 1, 2, 3, and this one, and this one, and if I say that, what? This is shaded area, and this is shaded area. This is shaded area. This is shaded area. This one is also shaded area. And this one is also shaded area. Okay? So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 6 square, okay, are shaded. So we need to find out, okay, so how we can work out in this example. So examiner may be tricky, okay, because you know that how to, the total length for this rectangle, if I say this is 30, and this one if I say is 15, and this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and every small given 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, okay, they all are equal, okay, don't be confused about one is bigger or showing, okay, large or small, okay, so that's why I'm writing the all are equal, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So they have a square shape, okay, but how we can work out? There is no need to use that formula in this example. Why? Because they are giving you individually, you know, the values for the length and width. So what you do? Simply find the area of the shaded, okay, first 5 times 5 is 25 centimeter. So area of a small rectangle, which is 5 times 5, which is 25 centimeter square. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So simply times by 6. So don't do it, okay? So area for the large rectangle and then you then subtract, no, it's already given, okay? So if they're already given, so simply you need to do 5 times 5, which is 25, and how many are the square which are shaded, which are 6. So it means the total will be 150 centimeter square. So this is the another example. So now move for one more question. Okay, so the question number 3 is being assessed one of the grammar school, and the question is asking about what? Same as, okay, rectangle, let me go for, right, instead of rectangle, go for a square shape, yeah. So it's square shape. Okay, it's look rectangle, so I can do more, increase more length. Okay, so I try to as close as. Okay, so this is more or less a square shape. Okay, and if I say that this is 40 centimeter, so it means the all side are 40 centimeter. And there is a shape. This is the center point. This looks center point here, okay, and this one, look, this one. Okay, and this one. Yeah. And this one is like that. This one is like that, yeah. So basically we need to find this shaded area. Okay, and I made basically semicircle. Okay, not very perfect. This is semicircle, and also this one also semicircle, yeah. And so, and what we do, we need to find out the shaded area. You can pause and try to figure out. That's the only information given in exams, okay? So it has a square and this is semicircle, okay? So how we can work out, okay? If I join, look at this one, okay? This and this, okay? I'm doing like that, okay? Look at this one, like that, okay? On the lower part of semicircle and the upper part of semicircle, look. So this will be like a circle. So what we do, you split your questions like what? Area for a square. So area for a square minus area of circle to get the area for the shaded one. So how we can work out, okay? So look at this one, okay? But the problem is that how we can find out the area of circle without radius. So we don't know the radius. That's the problem. But if you look at the total length for the square is 40. So, and look at this one. This length here to here is a half of them. Look at this one. Here to here, which is 40. And 40 centimeter divided by 2 to get the radius, which is 20 centimeter. So we work out the radius for this semicircle, which is 20 centimeter. So now you can work out, very simple. The area of a square is 40 times 40. 40 times 40, length times width. Okay. And area for circle is pi r square. And the pi value is the constant 3.14. And times by 20 centimeter. Okay. But r square means 20 power of 2. So it means 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16. This 0 and this 0. And now what we do? Simply 3.14 times, how we can work out, okay, 20 square means 20 times 20, okay. So it means 2 times 2 is 4, and then 20. And now we can times with this. How we can work out? 3.14 times by 400. Okay, so look at this one, 0, 0, 0, cross 0, 0, 0, and now 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4, and plus 5, 3 times 4 is 12, this 0, 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 0, 0. How many place of decimal? 2 place of the decimal. So it means 1256, which is area for circle. Now what we do? We need to subtract, okay? 1600 take away 1300, which is 300, and you can do what? 344 centimeter square. This is the final answer for unshaded. So this portion, okay, I'm talking about the shaded area for this square will be 344 centimeter square. Now we are moved to another exam questions, okay? The another exam questions will be let me do the last question, and these are very important questions for exam point of view. So now move for, this is the question number 11, and how we can work out the question number this one. And so very simple, okay? So what we do, just make a square, this one, same square, and now if I say that what, this one, this point, this point, this point, and this point, okay. If I can do this time semicircle, okay, okay, this is semicircle, okay, and the values for this one is 10 centimeter, and they are giving you the value for this one is also square, means it has all sides are equal, so it means is a 10 centimeter. So we need to work out the shaded area for this portion, shaded area for this portion. And the shaded area for this portion. So how we can work out this one? First thing you need to understand, this is the square shape, okay? So how we can work out? So area of a square minus what? This is, okay? This is part of area, okay? So if I say that, look at this one. There is a circle, and if I make 4 pieces, so look at this one. This one, okay, this one look like this, the quarter, and look at this one, okay, this one look like this. So it means these are, the shaded one are quarter of circle. If I make it the whole circle, which require 4 quarter, so it means we need to subtract the area of circle. How we can find out now for radius? So anyhow, the square, so 10 times 10, which is 100 centimeter. So 10 times 10 is 100 centimeter square. Area of this circle, first we need to find out the radius, but we know that what? This is the shape of a square, so it means from here to here will be 10 as well. And half of 10, which is 5. So look at this one. If I add this portion and this portion, so it will be look like here. So it means the diameter will be from here to here is 10 centimeter. And if I divide by 2, so you can get the 5. So the radius will be, so the radius will be 5. So radius from here to here, radius will be 5. Very simple now. So minus area of a circle pi r square, so 3.14 and is 5. So it means 100 minus 3.14 times 5 times 5 is 25. Now you can work out, so 3.14 times 25, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 1 is 5, 7, 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, so it means 0, 15, 8, 7, and 2 decimal places to 2 decimal places. So it means 100 minus 78.50. So the answer will be 21.50 centimeter square. So the area for, okay, the area for this shaded square will be 21.50 centimeter. So this is the way of the working, okay, how we can work out the shaded area. Very simple, very easy. Don't be confused. Just try to figure out the area of the shape and the area given. Sometime you make a subtract, the sometime there is no need for subtract, okay? And if I'm going to ask you simply, rather than the shaded area, okay, to find out the unshaded area, so you can work out easily. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please leave your comments. And also if you need any specific topic or any any things you want in terms of 11 plus, don't hesitate to leave your comments. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.